So the first thing before I turn into any more mechanical stuff is I want to clean the interior because it's pretty nasty. I don't know, kind of old gross stuff the previous owner had. So I'm just gonna get to cleaning and we'll see if we can find any surprises. Let's take a look in here. So I haven't really looked at any of this yet. You can see everything's just, it's a little, well, I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not amazing either. Oh, what's this? Huh. Oh, that nice cigarette butt. So I think I've decided I'm going to take the seats out so that I can clean in there better and just kind of make sure all the scuzz is gone, because this car wasn't really that dirty, but it feels scuzzy to me. So I want to make sure that I've got a clean slate and we're starting off with a nice clean car. So let's get to that. Okay, so you can see we are looking pretty good here with just a quick vacuum. There's a couple of places that I do want to get a little bit better, but we're going to use something else besides the vacuum here that I'll show you in a minute. So you can compare this to that side, and you can see how much nicer this is starting to look already with just a quick vacuum. So we're going to move over and vacuum the other side, and then we'll move on to all this interior stuff, all the interior plastics. Got some Simply Green here and a little wheel detailing brush off of Amazon, and we're kind of just going to spray down everything and then brush it on with our brush. So I unplugged the battery here just to be safe, but we're not really going to damage anything. Everything's pretty good water resistant. So the brush I like better than just a microfiber, because this is going to be able to get into places like in here that you wouldn't really be able to get into with just a microfiber brush. So this is going to be doing a very thorough job getting out any stains and any scuzz left from any previous owners. This is really nice for is inside these vents that you would never be able to get with a microfiber. Just get right in there with this. And even inside all these cracks, get right in there with everything. So I'm just gonna keep working away at this, and I'll check back in with you once we're all done. so we've got our seats here out of the car all ready to be cleaned. You can see they're not too bad. There's a little bit of staining, and you can see just from being a lighter color, you can see that they're not still all gray. They are a little bit stained and just kind of overall a little scuzzy. And we got another cigarette butt in there. That's good. So we're just gonna get to cleaning them. We're gonna do a very similar strategy as what we did with the interior. Just give them a nice little scrub down. All right, let's get to it. So I've got this bristled drill attachment here that we're going to put on, and then just kind of use this, and it'll just kind of help scrub and hopefully get rid of any other gross stains that are on there. So I've got some of this carpet and upholstery cleaner that I'm going to use on the fabric areas that are stained, and this brush should take the stains right out. You can see how well that took the stain out. It's pretty much gone, and here was all gross. There's still a little bit left, but there's like 95% of it is gone. And then same thing over here. This one was pretty scuzzy. You can see a little bit of water here. So you can see the seat is looking pretty much brand new again. Not too bad for a little bit of scrubbing. So now we're gonna go back to the carpets inside the car and get those nice and clean. So you can see there's a little brown. I'm not sure if that's rust or what. We're just gonna spray that a little bit, and then try and get rid of that. There's also a little bit right here that we're gonna get. Voila, there we go. And I'm just gonna move the carpet here so you can't tell that we were doing drill motions in it. There you go, stain out. Let's get this one too. All right, it's like a brand new carpet now. Alright, check out this interior. It is way better than it was. Now this is something that you can actually sit in and be comfortable and not be worried about what you're touching and what disease you're going to catch. Alright, I'm very happy with this. It did take some time overall. I'm probably about maybe 2.5 hours to do this. But if you're thinking 2.5 hours, you're going to be spending so much time in this car. It's really worth a little bit of an investment, for me at least, to have a super clean interior. And now it's easy to maintain too, because if it was dirty, even if you're vacuuming it, it's still going to be dirty. Where this way now I know it's basically as nice as it can possibly be, so it'll be easy to maintain. If I just vacuum it every time I wash the car, then it'll stay nice for longer, and hopefully I won't have to do this again. So I think that rounds out our cleaning portion, and now let's go continue with the teardown of the front end.